Ladies and gentlemen, it's been Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 2-bath, top floor apartment for sale in Ember Bluff, which is on Mustang Close, and Mustang Close is a street away from Malibongwe Drive. That's Malibongwe Drive. So Mustang Close is a 5 to 10 minute drive to the N1 depending on the traffic, 15-minute drive to Lanseria Airport, and a 10-minute drive to the N4T. The place is well taken care of, has carpets throughout except for the kitchens and bathrooms. The carpets are nice and clean, well taken care of, and I'm pretty excited to show this one to you. So come on right in and have a look. Now let's head to the top floor. Upon entry, you're welcomed by this modern dark brown kitchen. The kitchen has an extractor fan, stove, an undercounter appliance, plenty of cupboard space. As you can see here, space for a double door fridge, a breakfast bar, double sink, blinds which are staying, and space for an undercounter appliance. The open plan design leads you directly to the spacious lounge. The kitchen has been tiled as well as the bathroom, and the entire apartment has very clean carpets throughout. The lounge then leads you to the spacious balcony where you have your own built-in Braai area as well as a washing line. Let's go back inside. So this is the first bedroom. The smaller bedroom, like I mentioned before, has carpets, has blinds which will be staying, and you also have some cupboard space as well. Then you have the shared bathroom. The bathroom has a bathtub, a loo, a basin, towel rack of course, and a vanity mirror. The bathrooms and kitchen have been tiled, and the rest of the apartment has very clean carpets. If you prioritize warmth, then this apartment will be perfect for you. Next we have the in-suite bathroom. So this bathroom is also tiled and has a shower. We've got a loo, basin, towel rack, and a vanity mirror here as well. So now to the main bedroom. It's pretty spacious. There's a queen size bed there, and there's also some space for a work from home station. The position of the apartment brings in some nice natural light throughout the day. The main bedroom also has built-in cupboards, which means that both bedrooms have built-in cupboards. And that's the apartment, but that's not all. Ember Bluff also offers you a kids play area with this jungle gym here. The apartment also includes one carport, and you've got plenty of visitors parking. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the 2-bed, 2-bath for sale in Ember Bluff. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link below.